Darlings, here is my first ever behind the scenes look from my original Hollywood Flawless Filter campaign. Enjoy. First of all, apply my Instant Magic Dry Sheet Mask. Leave on for 15 minutes to create the perfect dewy canvas for makeup. Next, pop on my magic cream, camellia oil, rosehip oil, hyaluronic acid, hydrate and plump the complexion. Apply my Magic Eye Rescue to the delicate under eye area. Pop on my Light Wonder all over the complexion using my Hollywood complexion brush. Apply my Genius Retoucher underneath the eyes. Highlight and boost the skin with my new customizable complexion booster, Hollywood Flawless Filter for super starlit skin in seconds. Beneath it, blend it, boost it, or bling it. The choice is yours. Fill in using my brow pencil. Create a glowing Hollywood eye look with my Eyes to Mesmerize pot using my blender brush. This plays with the light beautifully. Line and lift the eyes with my soft chocolatey powder pencil. Finish the eye look with my Lashings and Lashings of Full Fat Lashes mascara. Next, Star Bronze and Glow, suck in the cheeks and follow the hollow. You can also use my Hollywood contour wands here. Outline the lips with my Lip Cheap lip liner in Pillow Talk. It's loved by celebrities, supermodels and stars everywhere. Fill in the lips with my lipstick in Penelope Pink. Slick on my Lip Luster lip gloss in Seduction for a seductive glossy finish.